Here it is.
Why are you using the blue?
The what?
Can you use the blue, the green?
The green what?
The green.
Oh no, it's dirty right now, baby.
What does it have on it?
I think for Christmas, Santa needs to bring Lainey some more spoons, huh?
Like those spoons?
Yeah.
The green one?
Sure.
Only not the blue one?
I don't know. Whatever colors there are.
You got the hang of that now.
See if I can scrape up one more spoon so here.
I think he wants to stay in there for long.
Oh boy.
What?
She missed.
You did it!
You didn't get a drop on your face either.